Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to choose a winner for the mini album that I created as a design team project for the month of November for Jovi, who is creating with Jovi. As you know, Jovi is here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and a number of other social media outlets. And as a design team member, she did supply me with the Old Time Christmas digital collection, which is absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed working with it, and it was fun to create this album. And let me just go over the rules really quickly. You had to be 18 years or older, a subscriber or frequent commenter on my channel. You need to have a U.S. mailing address. You must watch, like, and comment on the project video and any other videos that I create for that particular design team project. So that would be the unboxing. And in this case, I did a video where I created the base album and then I did the project reveal. So I really would appreciate it if everybody would watch all the videos when they're entering my contest, because you never know which one I'm going to choose the winner from. So let me continue on with the rules. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube, Etsy, Jovi, or anyone else. It is solely a project I created using the paper collection supplied to me by Jovi. Winners will be selected at random from any eligible video and eligible comments. You will have 1 week to get back with me after the announcement of the winner posts out, which will probably be today, which is Tuesday, December 23rd. And so that means you have until December 30th to get back with me. And I will have my email address below in the description box, or you can contact me through the instant messenger on Instagram. I did want to mention that the video I chose to choose the winner from is actually the video where I created the base album. And the reason I chose that one is because it had the most comments on it. Even though I had another video that had way more views, that one had more comments, so that gives more people an opportunity to win the prize. So with that, let me paste in the URL. And we're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to have one winner. We'll do a random draw of 6-second duration. I will solve the problem here. And we'll get our comments. We have 22 unique comments. So with that, I want to wish everyone good luck, and I'll hit start and we'll find out who the winner is. So the winner of the Old Time Christmas mini album is Diane Sharp, 6094. And Diane says, "This is a great tutorial for me as a beginner. Thank you so much for showing this. And I am very happy I could do that for some of my beginner users." And I did, it was actually a requested video. I had some people who asked me to show how to do a mini album, and that was a pretty easy one, I think. So Diane, I'm fairly certain that I do not have your address, so you need to contact me either by email or Instagram. My email address will be down below. You have until December 30th. Once I hear back from you, I will package up the album and get it out to you. And also be sure to leave a comment down below this video so I know you did see that you're my winner. So thanks again, everybody, for participating and for watching all my videos. I really appreciate your involvement and your support of my channel. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and many crafty days to come. So thanks again, and I will catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.